In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or display the search box on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. If you want to have a search box down here you can search with within the taskbar without having to click on the start button. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select personalization. And then on the right side, scroll down and select where it says taskbar. And at the top where it says search, if it says hide, click the drop down and select either search box, search icon only, search icon and label, or just a search box. So you should see it appears down now in our taskbar now that we've enabled that setting, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.